Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a hard-to-find 2014 Suzuki GSX R750. This sport bike has just under 2,600 miles on it and is in mint condition. It's pretty much all stock other than the tank pads, so let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. They've kept this bike very clean. Tires appear to be in good shape. Service will make sure that they are. And like I said, the 750 is all stock other than the tank pad that's been added to it. And again, the tank pad on it, but just really a nice, clean, sharp looking bike. All right, I'll show you those miles now. $25.69 is what's on it. Let's set the camera down here. This 2014 GSX R750 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own the sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.